What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis and I produce daily content for homeowners and new and up-and-coming heating and air technicians, teaching you everything you need to know about heating and air. And on today's service call, what I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to clean a flame sensor on a gas furnace. Now, if you're on a maintenance or service call, you always want to clean your flame sensors because these are one of the most problematic things that happen the very first of the season on heating and air conditioning systems. If the flame sensor is dirty, you could cause intermittent problems. The system will ignite sometimes, it'll turn off, it'll cycle, and it'll turn off again. And the most common reason it does that is you have a dirty flame sensor. So if you want to see how I clean it, stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. Alright guys, we're up here at the furnace itself, and where our flame sensor is located, you need to find your burner compartment. And if you look up under here, this little part right here is your flame sensor. Now how your flame sensor works is your gas from your gas valve comes out of your gas line, spews gas into this port, and this port. And what that'll do is the gas will get ignited by either your hot surface igniter or your direct spark igniter, and it will ignite the gas. This one first, this one second, and this one last. Now your flame sensor is always positioned on your last burner, because what it does, your flame sensor, when your flame comes out, that flame sensor will get hot. It will prove that all of your burners are lit, and it will keep the gas valve pumping gas. So if this flame sensor is dirty, you can get some buildup and stuff on it from the heat itself. So every year you want to take this flame sensor out and you want to clean it. So what we're going to do, we'll go ahead and turn power off. This flame sensor has a 1/4 inch screw. We're going to take that off. Okay, what you want to do is you take a piece of sandpaper, sandcloth, anything you have, and what you want to do is you want to clean this part of your flame sensor here. So let me show you. So that's basically all you do. When you're doing a flame sensor, it's a very easy thing to clean. Now, what's going to end up happening is if you have a system that's sometimes turning on, sometimes will not start up, one of the biggest reasons why your heating system won't stay lit is you have a dirty flame sensor. So every time you do a maintenance or anything like that, you always want to take this flame sensor out, clean it, and that'll keep it from getting dirty and keep you from having intermittent problems. So now we got the flame sensor cleaned. Let's go ahead and put it back in, hook it up, and let's start everything up. Okay, we'll put our screw back in. And then we want to hook our flame sensor wire back up as well. Alright, let's turn our furnace on. Okay, our inducer motor comes on first. I'm going to turn my flashlight off. And see, when your inducer motor comes on, that closes our pressure switch. Once that's closed, it'll send power to our circuit board, which will then send power to our ignition. think this is a hot surface igniter. Okay, we can see our hot surface igniter up there lighting up. Once that times out, it'll send power to our gas valve. And then once you get flame, and you see how when it lit, it went from right to left. And see our flame sensor is back over there. Okay, the system's been running for a few seconds now. It's usually maybe about 5 seconds, but if you have a bad flame sensor, it will actually turn the flames off if your flame sensor was dirty. So guys, that's how you clean a flame sensor. And like I say, every year that you do a heating maintenance or anything like that, you always want to clean your flame sensor, because a flame sensor is one of the most common things that you can have go wrong, that if it's not cleaned or you don't have proper maintenance done, those flame sensors get dirty. It won't sense the flame properly. This system's working fine. So go back, check your flame sensor at your house, and if you have any problems with it, now you know how to clean it. Very easy job to do. So guys, I hope you learned something, and if you have, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means more to me than you know. And as always, I'll see you on the next service call. Bye guys.